Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka Committee on Subordinate Legislation jong ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ka Bihar hakala asngi ublei kala penong ka Jylla bat ka Committee on Subordinate Legislation ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ka Meghalaya ka long ka jingwan jungo bat wat benya jong ka Jylla ya ka Jylla la penya da ulampang ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ ka Jylla u Thomas Ïasam nakaliang ka Bihar la yalam do chairman ka Committee on Subordinate Legislation u Manohar Prasad Singh ki weipat ki beladon ringkat ki kinthop u chinme atit singh murari mohan jha pankaj thakur sujit kumar abidur rahman badu asif bat ki weipat ki he officer na ka Meghalaya Committee on Subordinate Legislation lamikmat da u chairman uba Gavin Miguel Milliam ringkat ki dukhat bakinthop u Dr Mizanur Rahman Kazi bat ba damanbat lamari Secretary ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly Malthus Sangma bat ki weipat ki officer jong ka Assembly Secretary ru kiladon ringkat hakini ke Jylla habakran hakini ke Jylla u Thomas Sangma u loong ba Committee on Subordinate Legislation ka Bihar kalawan ban wat nya na Meghalaya bat kalekran bat pentip ru sya ka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly halor kani ulapan pau ka Jingmen ban pedang ki nowan chngo bat ya thu ba ka jingakran jinge mer jingmut hapdeng kini ki art li ki committee ka don ka jingmi ka babha ulampang ulapan tibru ba ki dukhot ki lekran ru halor ka Jingpyntreikam ki Committee on Subordinate Legislation minta habaro art li ki Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ bat Ïasam ki jingyo I jongki halor ki kindon jong ka Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ bat ki Jingpyntreikam ki dukhot na baro ar ki Jylla ki le samru ki jingsham jongki ka bapendong ki jingakran ka batei u Thomas ulet huru bakinong mikmat na Bihar ki sngotanat ke jingwan jungo jongki sha Meghalaya bat sham ke jingakran kalong ka bamintoi ka Committee on Subordinate Legislation ka dei ka badan kampha na ka benta ki Jingpyntreikam jongki Ïingdorbar Thawaiñ jongki Jylla ka lengkari India ka jingthmu jongki ni committee kalong ban pet benya bat a jingtip ka Ïingdorbar bahatu ka bor bala IT shaki bor sanshar ban Thawaiñ ban Jingpyntreikam ki an bat ki weipat ki kendon la Jingpyntreikam ni em kat kum ki jingthmu bat jingtho ki kendon balabu renti.
This is a Committee on Subordinate Legislation from the Bihar Legislative Assembly. They have come on a study visit and there's a courtesy call to our Legislative Assembly and ISSP branch. I was very happy to receive them and it was a very good interaction between the two committees of Bihar and Meghalaya Legislative Assembly of the Subordinate Legislative Committee. So, the two committees discuss about the present functioning of these subordinate legislation committees, how they function, and shared their experiences with each other. It was very productive and we also have learned so many things and they have also taken notes of our functioning. They were very appreciative of the functioning of our committees in general and they were very impressed about your visit to Meghalaya and they were very happy that they are going back with fond memories and good memories.